Taylor, tell us a little bit about your projects that you have going on. I've been reading a little bit about them, and they sound exciting.
Yeah, I post everything I do on my Auto Scholar with Mr. B, either my YouTube or my Facebook. And
Now, say that one more time so people know where to find your pages.
It's Auto Scholar with Mr. B, and I have a Facebook page, Twitter, and pretty much every social media. But most of the things I post are going to be on YouTube. Mm-hmm. And so I've been trying to get this gentleman to sell me his Chevy Volt, which is a hybrid. It's a series hybrid. For a few months, he finally put it on Marketplace, and I ended up buying this Chevy Volt. And it was not. It was completely dead when I got it. The high voltage battery was discharged. There was nothing. You used the key, and there was nothing. It was completely dead. And so I got it towed back to the shop, and it had been to 3 other shops, I think, and they could not fix it. It was deemed unfixable or not, worth being fixed. And we ended up fixing it in a couple of hours. And it was something pretty simple. It was the 12-volt battery. And it's important to remember that these high-voltage vehicles have 2 electrical systems. They have a high-voltage side, and then they have the 12-volt side that runs your radio, your windows, your headlights, everything else. And the problem with this car was the 12-volt system. And so I put a 12-volt AC Delco battery in it because I always like to stick pretty much with the OEM parts on those type of cars. And it fired right up. And it's charging and everything. It's got some other problems, too, that I'm going to fix. But for the most part, charging, running, driving, and, it was just something simple. So even though these cars are complex, they still have simple systems that can fail and look like more complex problems than they are.